Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K40 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick the settings, so we can open the advanced camera options. From here we have to slide a little bit down and find the press and hold shutter button option, so when we tap here we can decide to use it as record video, the burst shot and the focus. Let's stay on the burst shot, and when we move back to the camera, now we can take it by just tapping a little bit longer on the shutter button. And as you can see here we have the countdown, and we can take series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.